Certainly, you may have heard SEO experts mention that Google uses 200 different factors to determine the ranking of a website in search engine results pages. But have you ever wondered what these 200 factors are? We will gradually attempt to provide you with these 200 Google ranking factors through videos on Persia Web YouTube channel. In this regard, in the first part of the SEO ranking factors videos, we have turned to factors related to the domain and are examining these issues. Before starting, I would like to point out that if you are new to the Persian Web YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. Factors related to domain that impact SEO. Number 1, domain age. Many SEO experts believe that Google trusts older domains more. Although Google has officially stated that domain age is not a significant SEO factor, based on our experience, domain age does have some impact on site rankings. However, it does not necessarily mean that an older domain will always have better rankings compared to newer ones. Other factors and activities of the domain also play a crucial role, and domain age is just one of the influential criteria in SEO. Number 2, keyword appears in top-level domain. Once, an SEO expert on Instagram shared a golden trick claiming that with this trick, you could reach the top rank for important keywords. I was eagerly waiting to hear this extraordinary trick, and they said, it doesn't matter, just buy a domain with your keyword, and you'll easily reach rank 1, slightly smiling face. Putting aside this bitter joke, it's not true that buying a domain containing your keyword will automatically give you a high rank. Having a keyword in the domain name signals Google that the domain is relevant to that keyword, but it doesn't significantly impact rankings. Number 3, domain registration length. Google officially announced, valuable domains are usually paid for several years in advance, while worthless domains are used only for 1 year. Therefore, we consider the expiration date of a domain an important factor in evaluating its credibility and value. So, if your website is important to you and you have plans for its future, go and renew your domain for several years from now. Number 4, keyword and subdomain. Using keywords and subdomains is somewhat similar to the above case, and we can't expect to rank just by placing the keyword in the subdomain. However, this action is not entirely ineffective. Moz also believes that using a keyword in a subdomain can be a ranking factor and give better rankings to the page. Number 5, domain history. A domain that has been used multiple times may signal Google that its history needs to be cleaned and reset, meaning disregarding all the backlinks given to that domain. Or, in some cases, a penalized domain may transfer its penalty to the new domain owner. By the way, do you know the reasons for a site to be penalized? So, if you plan to buy a domain, make sure to check its history beforehand. 6, exact match domain. The match between the domain name and the keyword does not have a direct relationship with SEO improvement. However, if you do not follow this criterion, the Google EMD algorithm might bother you a bit. Number 7, public versus private whos. Private domain whos information may give Google the message that we want to hide something. Google says, when we checked the whos of some sites, we saw that they all have privacy protectors, which is very unusual. Having private whos is not bad in itself, but when you activate a series of such things simultaneously, it gives us the message that you are not an ordinary person who has a website. Number 8, penalized whos owner. If Google determines that a specific person is a spammer, it may believe that if this person goes after another site, they are likely to repeat the same action. Number 9, country TLD extension. Having a country domain extension may help you get a better rank in that country. However, it also affects your rank in other regions of the world. Conclusion. In this short video, we tried to cover 9 important factors related to the domain that affect your ranking on Google's search results page. One thing to note is that some of these factors have been officially confirmed by Google, while others are just speculations. So, our advice at Persia Web, in this first video of the 200 Google Ranking Factors series, is to read about these factors to have information about them, but don't rush to think that you have 200 rules to follow meticulously. No, it's not like that. Persia Web is a company for web design and SEO in Dubai. One of our professional services is SEO. Stay tuned with us.